Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming Windows 11 meets the requirement and turning on virtualization in firmware if it's off. Once done, open PowerShell as administrator. This is where you'll execute the enabling commands. Run the commands to enable the virtual machine platform and the Windows Subsystem for Linux features, then reboot the machine. You do this first because the kernel and platform support must be active before installing a distro, ensuring WSL2 operates with full virtualization and better performance. Next, install a Linux distribution either with WSL install Ubuntu or by grabbing one from the Microsoft Store. The command path is faster and scriptable. Make sure to set WSL2 as the default with WSL set default version 2 and run WSL update to get the latest kernel improvements. Once the distro installs, launch it to create your Linux user, then run apt update and apt upgrade so packages are current. This ensures package management and networking behave correctly under WSL2. Finally, verify success by running WSL list verbose to confirm your distro is running under version 2. Start the distro from Windows Terminal or the Start menu and install Windows Terminal and the remote WSL extension if you want seamless editor integration. Make sure file paths and ports behave as expected by testing a simple service inside Linux. If something fails, the key troubleshooting step is to ensure CPU virtualization is enabled in BIOS. Without it, WSL2 cannot start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.